black shirt, these little, I don't know. Let's keep going. We'll come. Look. Mario and Princess Peach.
He's an absolute lazy boy.
My baby say definitely she's a cowgirl. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori Michelle and welcome back to another vlog. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I'd love to have you. And if you're not new to my channel, you know you're already family. I'm in the process of getting myself together. I literally just got off work and it's like about 6:35 in the morning. But I'm getting myself together. The girls are up getting dressed. I'm taking them on a princess train ride. Yes, a princess train ride. Yesterday I had to go take Michaela to get her princess dress from Party City. I'm gonna insert that clip because I had started filming it yesterday before I even introduced the vlog. So. But Mahogany is just gonna wear her birthday dress that she wore on her birthday. So, but yesterday we went to Party City and got her Michaela a princess dress. So yes, and the place we're going is in Cedar Park, Texas, and that's like a I just dipped my face in some cold water, so now my nose is trying to run and all that stuff. But anyway, it's in Cedar Park, Texas, so it's like an hour and 18 minutes away from here. So I told them we need to be leaving out the house by 7:15. Like right now it's about like 6:35, 6:40, somewhere around there. So they're dressed and everything, and I'm dressed. I'm just finna put my wig back on, but I want to do my skincare first or whatever. So yeah, and brush my teeth and all that stuff. So yeah, so I was just coming to introduce the vlog and let y'all know what we had going on. And yeah, so let me finish getting myself together and making sure the girls is doing their little last minute touches. So I need to, because I took their braids out the other day, so I need to gel their edges up into their little puff balls that they're wearing. So yeah, so let me get off the camera for a minute and we'll hit you back in a little bit. We are in Party City looking for Michaela
for Halloween. Bubbles.
A costume for this princess train ride we're going on tomorrow. I don't think I mentioned it to y'all or whatever, but yeah, we're going on a princess train ride in Cedar Park, Texas. So it's kind of like an hour and 15 minutes from Waco. So Mahogany's gonna wear her birthday dress, but Michaela wanted to get a Princess Tiana costume and wear to on the princess train ride. So yes, so we're looking. Yeah, this look like it's a adult owl. These costumes. It's about that time too. Y'all looking for your costumes for Halloween? You better come on in Party City because they already got all the costumes. I told her if she get that costume for this princess train ride, she will also be using that as her Halloween costume this year. I'm not coming back to get another costume for her for Halloween. That's going to be her costume for Halloween as well. She's showing us to her. She don't think they have one, but they do have other princess costumes. So We don't have
I
Tiana?
lied. Tiana's
Oh,
right
we
here.
do got Tiana. They
Blending
do.
in with Tinkerbell.
Okay.
It's all the green.
So,
They got Tiana.
yeah, they got Tiana.
Anything else I can help you with?
That's it. Thank you. Okay, Michaela, look and see if they have your size. That's, what size is that? That's probably not your size. That look like a little girl. Look at the very back, because the very back has larger sizes. Top of 3 to 4. 8 to 10. That's it. 8 to 10. That one right there in your hand. Oh, which one you want? Oh, no, that's it. To get that 4 to 6X. What's behind that one? Just pull them off, slide them off, baby. That's 4 to 6X. They might, I don't know, Michaela, she look like she about your size, the little girl. We can try it on. If it don't fit, we'll bring it back. $34 for a princess costume. Ridiculous. Okay, we end up having to put the other one back, the Princess Tiana, because it was too small. So come here, let me see it. But we end up finding a golden princess, which is her size, from size 8 to 10. So yeah, perfect. And it comes with the crown.
Yes.
So you don't even have to buy a crown. The crown comes with it. And it was $34 as well. Baby, these costumes is too expensive for me. Too expensive. Okay, y'all, we are dressed and ready to go. I'm gonna show y'all what I got on, and then I'm gonna show y'all what the girls got on. So here's my outfit, just a black shirt, these little, I don't know what you want to call them, parachute pants or whatever. And then I got on my new Adidas with the green stripes on it to match my pants. So yeah, this is what I'm looking like. And the girls, Mahogany, of course, has on her birthday dress. And she's going to be wearing her little blue jean jacket. They tired, child. They looking crazy. It's still early in the morning, so. But come on, Michaela. Let me show them what you looking like. And this is Michaela in her little princess dress. And she has on her little Chuck Taylors, if that's what you want to call them. They're yellow. A little yellow Chuck Taylor, so she looking pretty too. So yeah, we ready for the princess train ride. So okay, we're finna go ahead and get out of here because yeah, it's 7:30. I wanted to be out by 7:15. I gotta stop and get gas, and then yeah. All right, so we're gonna let y'all go, and we'll see y'all when we get to the train.
Bye.
Okay, we made it. We have like 6 minutes to get on there. Everybody's boarding. We already see some cute little girls in their little princess dresses. The tickets.
Very end of the train. Buckeye Lake is the name of the car, seat 34.
Name of the car, what's the name of the car?
Buckeye Lake.
Lake.
Right.
And then seats 34. Okay. All right, go all the way that way. Down there. It's push. Okay. Keep going.
They got bathrooms.
Yeah, they got bathrooms. Keep going. We'll come get some. Hello. Y'all want a snack real quick?
Yes.
Is it okay if we go ahead and get a snack?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay. Whatever y'all want, go ahead and get what you want.
No, we're not. Yeah, I want to do this.
You want that?
I want to push pop.
Y'all better get something to put on your stomachs. Because once we leave. Okay. Grab me a bag of, yeah. Thank you.
Treasure. Smile for us. Treasure, smile.
We got Mario on the train. And Princess, what's her name? Princess Peach. Mario and Princess Peach.
Oh, yeah. That's the diary. This is it. Oh, yes. So happy to be here.
I'm so happy to be here. We're happy to be here too.
Fun. Woohoo! Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Here comes Princess Peach.
Have you seen any giant fire breathing turtles? Like, you know, like, I'm curious what my mom comes out. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. Doing so good.
Treasure way.
Such a good job.
Say hi, Treasure.
Such a beautiful name. Oh my gosh, that is. I love that so much. Well, I hope you all have a wonderful ride. Good morning. You're the most beautiful princesses in the land. Where do you hail from? Where are you from?
Tell her where you from, girls.
You from Austin?
From Waco.
From where? Waco! Oh, my cousin lives in Waco. She's a very beautiful princess as well. How old are all of you? 11. 9. 1. Wow. I love your dresses. You look so beautiful. So pretty.
These are
Her pretzel and the Nutella. You trying to get some Nutella? Tell your cousin to give you some of that Nutella.
so she was so good out there. She gonna put it back in.
Look at her, girl.
That's enough. Yes, it is. Oh my God. That's enough.
Oh my God.
Your mouth.
Not crazy directions. Yeah.
Lord.
It was confusing.
Oh my God, girl.
She was just laughing. I said, so you really ready to come back? And she talking about,
He's out watching the
Cherry Godmother's giving out crowns.
and at the top of the hill, you see it. Hello, hello, ladies. Greetings, I may be a very gullible, but we're still young and sticky. You have a crowd. I saw you earlier. Yes, I remember. Greetings, greetings, ladies.
Let me see what you got, Mahogany.
It is so beautiful that you are involved.
In the crown. Oh. Michaela, where's your crown? The jewels on your fingers? Okay, so we're taking a 15-minute intermission so we can get off the train, and I believe there's a little shopping center around here, so we're gonna go probably find some stuff to snack on, because this stuff on here is expensive. The 3 items that I got for me and the girls is $12. Yeah, $12. So we're gonna step off and find a little store here in the little shopping center and get us something to snack on. So this is a little museum that they have here that we're gonna look at.
pepper machine. I guess that's how they used to transfer animals back in the day, the little chicken coop. Little small arms, ammunition. That's how they used to pack stuff back in the day. These old antique looking suitcases. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just everywhere all the time. Yes. You want one too? Yeah, she's 17. Yes. And yours is the 15? Okay. She will follow. So that's that babies, the 2023 babies. She wanted him to hand it to her.
I didn't know that they detached the engine, and that's what was going by. They detach the engine and take it to the end of the train so it can start going back the other way. That's so cool. I've never heard of that. I never knew that they detach it, the engine, and then send it to the other end. Pretty cool, right?
Cheers. Ooh, you waving at the people.
Jump from a train. Did you jump from here? No?
Y'all believe that somebody was back there, huh?
You see the picture. By the time they stop that train, your car's already a mile down the tracks. So what we do instead is we use one of these nifty blue signs. They're on every single public crossing in America. They're about this high off the ground, and they have a phone number and a crossing ID. So you call the number, give them the ID, and they're able to tell exactly where you are on that rail. They're able to tell exactly where you are on that rail line, and they can stop any train almost instantly, giving you plenty of time to move your car off the tracks. So, if you are stuck in a situation where you're stuck on the tracks, somebody else is stuck in a situation where they're stuck on the tracks, or something is just wrong with the railway tracks, call this phone number and give them the crossing ID immediately.
Thank you so much for coming. She's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Thank you so much for coming. It was such a joy to have you. I was so late. Thank you very much for coming. It was such a delight to have all of our princesses here. I can't thank you enough for coming. Hello, Jocelyn. It's kind of warm in here. Did you cool it down? She does need it. It's fair. I love your little gem right there, honey. Oh, we're trying to see into the future. Good. Oh.
Look at the one that you all three.
Hello, princess. I know you're sleeping, but you're still gorgeous. You're being sleeping beauty right now. You're awake.
Wow. Okay, the girl's hungry. I'm hungry. My best friend, her daughter, and grandbaby hungry. So we stopped right here at this IHOP. That was literally 2 minutes down the road. So we finna go here and get us something to eat.
Yeah.
He's like, I don't want to drink. So they have like IHOP He's like, I don't want to. Can you have some ranch?
Tiana food is good.
She just digging in.
Baby, Treasure ain't wait for nobody.
Dude, I
God is good.
in Italy, Texas.
God is great.
I stopped there to go to the bathroom.
See what she chewing in.
Because that was like really nice clean bathroom. But I accidentally said you're welcome. Because I was trying to click on that. And she said thank you. I'm like, I'm sorry.
Since we down here in this area, we decided to stop by Round Rock Shopping Mall and go check out Children's Place to get the girls some graphic tees to go with some of the pants that we got them when I went school shopping for them. Okay, they got $4.99 graphic tees. You see one? Is that your size? No, that's too big. That's a double XL. Find one. Okay, here.
I know, and don't make him do that.
That's a small.
Yeah.
I need a medium.
Okay, that's a medium. Let me see. No, you probably need a large because the medium is still too small. It's too small.
I will go out of this size. I'm gonna be wearing.
Look what I found.
Got it, found it. I want one.
It says Cowgirl Forever.
I want
You
one.
know, you think you're a cowgirl, right?
Definitely.
Definitely? My baby say definitely she's a cowgirl.
Does I look like one?
Is those sets?
I act like one? No.
Or those just shirts?
Other shirts. Other shirts.
How much are they? You got them off this rack?
This one.
Okay, and those are $3.99. And then they having a sale for 70% off.
This is 10, 12.
That's your size? We gotta see how much that is because it says $16.95, but it might be one of the ones that's 70% off.
7, 12, 2. This is made for me.
Let me see. What is that?
Polar.
Coolest sister ever. Okay.
This is made for me.
That's made for you?
Made for me.
Okay. Oh, those overalls are cute.
And we can wear the shirts with these if we get the shirts. Wait,
But we looking for shirts. What did we say we was coming in here for?
Graphic tees.
Exactly.
What is graphic tees?
T-shirts with stuff on them. This is a graphic tee, baby. That's a graphic tee, what you got. Because it has stuff on it. It has graphics on it. Guys, look at this cute pajama set. It says pumpkin spice season. Oh, this is cute. I love this. It gives you fall vibes. Now, when I tell y'all, I think they done went out of here. It is hot. It's the devil's damn toenails up in here. Whew. I think this stuff too small for y'all.
Mama, why do you have to cuss all the time?
Girl, I was not cussing. Damn, it's not a cuss word.
You just said it.
Girl, that is not a cuss word.
Can I say it?
Girl, if you say it, I'd knock your teeth out. Girl, don't make me do you. She playing with me, y'all. Oh, these are so cute. Look at these little tiny shoes. Your Legacy birthday is coming up. I'm gonna have to come down here and get her some clothes for her birthday.
And some shoes.
Yep. We decided to stop and get boba. So, yeah, we end up totally tea. Y'all like y'all boba? What's yours at? You like it? Michaela, you like it? You like it?
But I wanted the red bubble that they had.
The red bubble? You should have asked.
They chewed. They was out of it, but as soon as mine was done, they stopped it.
Good afternoon. We just got in from church. And okay, my camera's like so we went and got something to eat. We went to Bush's Chicken, and the girls got tenders and a roll, and I got me a salad. They got real chicken salad. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. Looks so good. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, so we just got out of church. The girls have to be at the theater at 1:30. It's like 1:02. Because they gotta perform in that play again. They've been doing it all week. And today's Sunday. So they got all week they've been doing since Thursday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday they perform once. But today they'll be performing twice. So they gotta be there at 1:30, and then I'm not sure the other time they gotta go back. I asked the lady that's directing the play, I asked her what time they got to be back. So yeah. So we trying to grab a quick bite to eat. And I dropped them off there and run get my little nephew, pick him up, drop him off to his mom, and then find out, like I say, when the next play, and then we in for the rest of the day. Yeah, because what, next week? Is it next week school start? Well, a week and a half.
Yeah.
About a week and a half school start. So, yeah, we got to get back on the schedule. So, yep. Get back on the schedule. So, yeah. So, we're going to eat and be happy. How y'all Sunday going? Y'all went to church today? What did y'all learn in church today? Put down below what y'all learned in church. Church was very good for us. We did Psalms, what is it? 1 through 3?
Psalms 23.
Psalms 23, 1 through 3. Look it up. And y'all know what I'm talking about. We're gonna finish eating. We'll see y'all later. This is what my salad looking like right now. I had to hook it up because it had no tomatoes, but I went in my refrigerator, grabbed some tomatoes and put some tomatoes on it. So yeah, it's looking good now. I transferred some of it over to a bowl because this thing here is full. When I tell you it's a lot of salad in there, so I just made me a little salad in a bowl. So yeah, looking good now, ain't it? And for my dressing, I'm using, of course, ranch, which is my favorite. Ranch. They gave us these little ranch packs to come with the salad. And then I also incorporate this Mediterranean dressing by Tuscan Garden, y'all. And I tell you, this dressing is good. It's good. I mixed the two of them together. I put my ranch on, then I put some of that on. And y'all, it's so good. So good. So, yes. Give me a little bit of everything. Okay. Now I'm ready to go. Bye.
How is climbing things a job? Me and my friend Kinsey climb things all the time, and we never get paid for it.
Well, Julie.
It's Judy. Joonee. Do you have a girlfriend?
This is career day. We don't ask those kind of questions.
welcome back to another day of the vlog. Oh Lord, I don't know what to do with this stick, what you call this thing? Tripod. But yeah, I just got out of work. Today is August 5th. Just came from the grocery store and get ready to cook dinner for the fam. Just picked the girls up from camp. They're already in process of doing another play.
No.
Don't start. No, ma'am. Don't start. And it's hot outside, so we eating ices to kind of cool off before I get started on dinner. So yeah, I'm cooking some chicken. What is it called? Chicken? Oh, where's my phone here? Homemade Cajun chicken and sausage Alfredo. Yes, it looks so good. I have the recipe out for YouTube. I just typed in quick and easy meals for dinner, and that was one of the meals that popped up. So, and it's real quick and easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. And yeah, I'm supposed to go exercise with my friend T, but I don't know what time she wants to go. I didn't even ask, but it's still hot outside. I would rather wait till the sun go down a little bit just to go walk and let it cool off a little bit. So yeah, but yeah, I'm just enjoying this icy. Gonna go get out of these work clothes and just put on some comfortable clothes, start cooking. I didn't want to take a shower none yet in case I decide to go ahead and go walking with her. So yeah, excuse my smacking, baby. This ice is good and it's cooling me off. Before I get started with the meal, I want to show y'all. I told y'all I'm trying to build up my husband's cologne collection. So I went today and got him some more cologne. This smells so good. It's called Legend Blue. He don't know I got it for him. He don't know I got it for him. He's sitting outside in the car trying to reflect after getting off work. So y'all know how that go. I'm pretty sure some of y'all do that. Once y'all get off work, just sit in the driveway or sit in the parking lot after you done got off work and just kind of reflect before you come in the house. So he's just sitting out in the car on his phone on YouTube reflecting. So yeah, but I'm gonna give it to him. And I also bought my son, he loves the Dallas Cowboys. I'm pretty sure I told y'all that, but they had some Dallas Cowboy tube socks and I bought him some of those. So yeah, he really likes them too. So yeah, so let me go ahead and start the It's a Cajun. It's called Cajun and chicken. What is it? Cajun and chicken fettuccine pasta. And then there's the garlic bread. Looks so good. I made my husband a little small plate for right now because I know he's trying not to eat too much pasta, so I just gave him a little bit. But y'all, it's so good. So good. Okay, so did you wash your hands, babe? Wash your hands. Go ahead. Wash your hands and fix your plate. But yeah, we finna rub. But yeah, turned out real good. Turned out real good. So yeah, I'm finna fix me a little small plate too. My homegirl didn't hit me up to go walking because I would still go walking because the sun done went down there. It looked like it's pretty cool down outside, but she didn't hit me up. She probably tired. It's okay. But I'm gonna hit that gym tomorrow after I get off work because I've been missing days because it's just been so, I don't know, been just busy doing a whole lot of stuff. Getting the kids shopping for school, just doing last minute stuff before they start school, and just busy with family stuff and just, yeah. So, but I gotta hit that gym tomorrow. But yeah, we finna go ahead and eat. Yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna take the first bite. It's good, baby. Yeah. It's good. It's bussin'. The garlic bread.
It's my favorite.
Well, cheese bread. I think it's like a 3 cheese, so 5 cheese. One of them. It's good.
It's my favorite.
Baby, I had to call back on camera and let y'all know that dish was a hit with my family. They loved it. They did. But you know what? When I cook for my family and they happy and they eating and they smiling while they eating, that makes me happy inside. To know that I can cook for my family and they enjoying the food. So yeah. And that was my first time making the Cajun chicken sausage fettuccine pasta. So that was my first time making that. Now I made fettuccine pasta before, but I made it with just chicken. I never did it with the sausage. And I never did the Cajun style. So yeah, they loved it. Baby, when I say they put a dent in that pot, they put a whole dent in it. Yeah, they did. They did. But it makes me happy to know that, yeah, that they're happy and full. And I see now why my mama, when she used to cook for us, I mean, She would cook my mama cooked big meals like that almost every day. And baby, she'll call you up in a minute. Hey, I cook. And sometimes she didn't even have to call, because we was gonna stop by there anyway. Yeah, that was my mama on the daily. She cooked something. And sometimes she would some mornings she would cook a big breakfast, and she'll call everybody and say, hey, I cook breakfast. Baby, we be coming over there. We don't need to put no clothes on. Baby, we get right up out our bed in our pajamas and head straight on over to mama's house and eat. We did. Yes, we would. Baby, I miss that lady. Baby, she could cook. But I didn't get none of her recipes for some of her dishes before she passed. But I know her meatloaf, I would always sit and watch her make her meatloaf. So that I got down. And then like I kind of got down her dressing, a little bit of it. And what I didn't, when I got ready to make my first dressing, I just looked on YouTube and watched a YouTube video. So, but evidently it's a hit too with my family, because y'all seen the last time when I made dressing, how my niece came with her small to-go plate and her big one, because she didn't know if she wanted a lot to go or a little bit. But yeah, so yeah, it was a big hit with the family. And my son said, hey mama, you been cooking a lot lately. Yeah, what I'm trying to do is save money. I'm trying to keep from going get fast food, because baby, it's costing me. I ordered some of those. Matter of fact, to help me save money, I ordered some of those little it's not an envelope, well I guess it's an envelope, but it's a little book with envelopes in it, and you say like one day, like the first week, you put like $20 in one little slot, or $10 in one little slot, $5 in one little slot, and basically like if you save so much of it over time, it can mount up to like $1,500, $2,500, whatever amount book you buy. So I seen some on AliExpress, and I seen another girl, her doing it, and that's what made me want to do it. So I was like, you know, that's a good idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and order those, and yeah, and start saving. I'm gonna have one for like travel when we go do stuff, one for like just like when I want to go out to eat, or take the family out, or me and hubby on date night or whatever. So yeah, so I seen some of those, so I'm gonna order those, and I'm gonna start saving that way. But I'm gonna also still be putting off into our joint account, but I also want to save in other ways, and that's why I've been cooking a lot more at home, because hey, eating out is very costly, and I'm not trying to keep spending all that money on food, fast food, when, you know what I'm saying, sometimes you go get it, then it's not right, when you can just cook at home and voila. So yeah, but yeah, I was just coming back on camera to let y'all know it was a hit with the family. Had me some taste for some wine, so fix my camera here. So let me see, make sure it don't slide. So I decided to open up me a bottle of this wine. Y'all excuse my hands, y'all know I've been washing dishes and all that stuff, cooking and stuff. My hands stay ashy. Hey, but yeah, I'm gonna open up my wine. I already finished off that one bottle that I had. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on open and make me a glass of this. Woo! Yeah. Ooh, cheers. Ooh, that's so good. Y'all, I'm finna head to bed. Y'all have a good night. Bye. Good night.